Hi, I'm Fiona, a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you preparing for the Business Education Content Knowledge exam? This is Praxis Test Code 5101. This exam includes several key subtopics, and today we'll focus on marketing and management. Let's go over the types of questions you can expect to see on the exam. Problem number 1. Controlling is the fourth step in a larger management process that involves which of the following? Planning, organizing, and leading, organizing, planning, and disciplining, thinking, decision-making, and directing, or directing, planning, and empowerment. Controlling is not primarily associated with disciplining. Organizing, planning, and disciplining are broader tasks. Thinking and decision-making are crucial, but don't represent the full management process. Directing and empowerment are important, but not a complete sequence. The fourth step in the management process, which involves controlling, is best described by planning, organizing, and leading. These steps ensure that goals are set, resources are arranged, and guidance is provided, leading to effective control. Problem number 2. Which marketing segmentation considers income and ethnic background? Demographics, psychographics, usage rate, or benefits sought? Usage rate segmentation focuses on how frequently a product is used, which doesn't consider income or ethnic background. Benefits sought segmentation is about what customers seek in a product, unrelated to demographics. Psychographics involve lifestyle and personality traits, not directly income or ethnic background. The marketing segmentation that considers income and ethnic background is demographics, as it categorizes the market based on age, gender, income, education, and ethnic background. Problem number 3. What is the second step in the consumer decision-making process? Purchase, information search, evaluating alternatives, or need recognition. The purchase step is the final action of buying the product, not the second step. Evaluating alternatives involves comparing different products, which comes later. Need recognition is the first step, where the consumer realizes they have a need or problem. The second step in the consumer decision-making process is the information search, where the consumer seeks information about how to satisfy their recognized need. Problem number 4. Advertising materials produced to promote a large IT consulting firm tout the superiority of the corporation's service in terms of timeliness and overall customer satisfaction in comparison to the company's competitors. If these claims are true, which of the following would best apply to the organization in question? Unique selling position, environmental scanning, marketing myopia, or societal marketing orientation? Environmental scanning involves analyzing external factors affecting the business, but doesn't apply here. Marketing myopia refers to focusing only on short-term goals rather than long-term needs, which is not the case in this scenario. Societal marketing orientation emphasizes social responsibility along with profitability, which isn't the focus here either. If the consulting firm's advertising claims about superior service and customer satisfaction are true, The term that best applies to the organization is unique selling position, highlighting its distinct advantages over competitors. I hope this video has helped clarify the types of questions you'll encounter in the Marketing and Management section of the Praxis 5101 exam. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. With Study.com's resources, you'll be well equipped and well prepared for exam day. Best of luck with your exam preparation, and bye for now.